Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you that how you can remove person from an image. I will show you two methods to remove, so let's get straight into it. First of all, what you have to do is select lasso tool for making a selection. Select the person, make sure you fill the app. Perfect. Now go to edit panel and press fill, or you can press shift plus F5. Go to contents and select content aware. Go to opacity and select 100%. Press OK and it will automatically remove the person. Perfect. Now you have to remove this selection. For this, what you have to do is right click on anywhere and press deselect. Now as you can see, there is something like this which is not perfect. For this, what we have to do is use a stamp tool. Hold Alt to take a sample. Take a sample from here and to press to fix it a little bit. Perfect. A little bit more. Perfect. Zoom out. As you can see here, there's something same like here. For this, what you have to do is go to patch tool, select the patch tool and just make a selection where it happened and drag it to the which is perfect. It is a little bit fine, we have to make it more perfect. Like this. Same here. Perfect. So this was the first method in which we can remove person with the help of content aware tool. Next example is this image. If you want this image, link will be in the description. Now for this, we will use clone stamp tool. This is the second method to remove a person from an image. Zoom in and take a sample. For example, like this cloud is a sample. Increase the size of a brush. Take a sample and remove a person like this. Easy. Be careful a little bit here. Take a sample, remove it like this. make a little bit from here. Perfect. So this was the second method to remove it. Let's make it perfect from here. Okay, perfect. So this is it. I will make another video for removing object from an image and removing a single person from a group. I will make a video in the future. If you enjoy this video, give this video a big thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.